Hello friends. Welcome to Cognitive Fun Learning. In this video, we're going to learn basic questions and answers that people use in English every day. Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. We all stay together in one house.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older brother and a younger sister.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town near the mountains.
What is your favorite hobby?
I love painting landscapes on the weekends.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What day is it today?
It's Friday.